Hello everyone, good afternoon. Once again, welcome to my English class. Dear student, last time we read our first chapter from Unit 1, that was My Parents Kept Me from Children Who Were Robbed. In that lesson, we learn about good and bad children. So, try to be always very good student, good children. Never go through bad companion. If you see that type of children also, you try to advise them and help them to come out from that bad activities so that they will learn more thing from you. Now today in this class, it is especially I am here to give you some writing work. As you can see on the screen that the first part of the poem probably you are saying. So there are difficult words that is underlined. So this word you should learn the spelling, find the meaning, and you have to make the sentences of your own. That is your work. In second part also, you can see there underlined words, some circle one. So, learn the spellings of all these words and find their meaning and make sentences as good as possible. Now let us move to another exercise, that is learning word meaning. Above it is about the author, and as I have already tell you that you can consult your internet and just you can find about Stephen Spender and learn more about him, and you can make a paragraph on him, a good paragraph on him. Now later next to that comes word meaning, that you have to again learn the spelling, that you will find in the meanings, learn it very properly. Now let us go again to the next exercise. This is tick the correct options. You have seen we have read the lesson, and certainly you know how to do this exercise. You can take help from the lesson also and complete this. And here comes next one. It is to solve the puzzle by filling the synonyms of the given words. There are given words. For example, you can see wonder in across, consent, silent, benefit, fatigue, repent, stubborn, lively, preciously, nicely, sufficient, compel, confess. All these words have the synonyms in the box. You have to find the synonyms of this word and fill in the boxes. Now let us move to another part of our exercise. It is question answer. Maybe some part of this question may not be visible, but you try to do it. If you have understood the poem, if you have understood the lesson properly, you can do this question, and also you can try it in your leisure time. See it properly, you can go through it one by one. You can just try only. If you are not able, then later we may discuss it also. Now let us move to this section. This is a letter writing. I have told you, student, in the class about letter. There are two types of letter. It is formal and informal. Here in this part you are going to write about formal letters. Two types of letters. Formal letters especially we write officially. Informal letters we write it for our relatives, just like family, as a family members, mother, father, brother, friends, etc. So you know this, how you have learned how to write the letters, formal letters. We have got lots of examples in the grammar book also. You can consult grammar book and try to write this formal letter properly. This was your exercises from chapter 1. So now we will be learning chapter 2 next time. Till then, student, be good at home, obey your parents, avoid going out. Remember that we are facing social trauma, that we must pray to the God that it may restore again. Have a nice evening. Bye.